You guys, Halloween is almost here, so that means we need to prepare the studio. We have a lot of decorations to do, and we have to plan projects because everybody loves Halloween, and we have to make it great as usual.
I have some question. So can everyone gonna be costume like Masha?
No, that's a horrible idea. Okay, so the main goal for Halloween this year is... can you go grab that?
Hello? Yes, Bashan Design Gallery? Yeah. What? What? Wait a minute. Oh my God! Just a second. You have to listen to this. You have to listen that.
What?
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hello? Wait, what? Is this really Santa? You're calling us? You're coming. Okay, you need a place in Las Vegas at Fashion Design. Okay. And you want to meet the kids here? What? We can definitely create an Airbnb for you here at our studio. Yes, you got it. Oh my God, you guys! Santa's coming! Las Vegas, okay. Obviously, change of plans. We are starting early with Santa because it's Christmas time. So, as you heard, Santa is coming to Fashion Design Gallery, and we cannot wait to show you how we're preparing his Airbnb in Las Vegas.